Welcome back to KMX TV News Update. I'm Craig Winston with all the news you'll need in 10 minutes. We continue our coverage with some news from the online fashion search that Fashion Superstars magazine conducted last week. Fashion Superstars have developed an algorithm which analyzed millions of photos online in search for the next internet fashion superstar. Last week, the search was finalized with the winner announced. Fashion Superstars magazine would like to congratulate Sarah for being the Internet Fashion Superstar of the Year. This is the first contest to date which utilizes technology of the future to make decisions that would otherwise take years to do manually. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more amazing stories on KMX News Update. For more information on how to become a fashion superstar, visit flixpress.com.